Hi there, I'm Diogo from ERP Gap. Um, Today I'm going to talk about subcontract manufacturing. We recently been migrating some projects from furniture manufacturing, and we realized that the subcontracting module it's uh, really much different, much simpler, and much more stable and more flexible than in other versions. We've been doing some of these projects with a lot of subcontracting since like version 14, and we had to do some customizations to avoid the subcontracting module. Subcontracting module was released in version 13, but it was a bit complex, and so we always try to avoid doing a lot of customizations, but sometimes you really need it to make the process simpler for the user. And so now in version 18, it's really amazing. You mostly can do it out of the box. Let's just see how it works. So I'll create a new sale order. I'll just say we have a client that is going to build a restaurant and he needs some shares. So I'm going to select my product. This is of course a demo, so we only have these options. Usually we'll have much more. And you see, we can use attributes that are going to give us a different price depending on the attribute that you choose. And it's going to add to the base price of the product. And this makes it very simple for the sales team. Even if you have a new person on the team, he just needs to select what his client is going to need, and it's going to calculate the price automatically. And so let's select black and full leather, and let's say we need 22 shares, and let's confirm the order. And as soon as we do this, the configuration that we have in place now has created a manufacturing order. It is a make to order, so it's generated only for the sale order. And here you see we are going to require a painted frame, black, which was the option that we selected, because we are using this bill of materials here. And you see we can select the option that maps to the attribute that was selected. Simple as that. Now going back here, we now have this button for overview, and we can see everything we need to accomplish this order. So if I click here, for example, we have this RFQ, um, and for some reason we have some stock that we found or something, we can just cancel, and we can even delete it. And now we go back into the overview, and now we can see it is to order. I can click here and say let's replenish, buy from this vendor, and now I click on the PO, still in RFQ state. I will confirm the order, and as I do this, it's going to create a picking for the resupply, and it says we are going to resupply 22 frames, oak frames, to this wood painter. And when the job is done, is going to send us the painted metro shed frame black. Very simple, right? Now we can go back to the overview and see we have everything in place. Some orders that probably would already be created, it's reserved automatically from them. This is going to uh, get the upholstery, and we need to resupply uh, the fabric and the seat pad, for example. And at the end, as I said, we are going to receive the upholstered seat pad and backrest. And so going back again to this could be very complex if you didn't have this overview. It's really great. At the end, when you receive all the subcontracting parts, and see, these are in chain because you need one to do the other, right? So it's not going to allow you to proceed unless you have the raw materials that you need to replenish the next supplier. And so this way, at the end, we are going to get um, all the pieces inside our warehouse. We are going to assemble it, and at the end, we are just going to deliver to our client, and that's it. Simple, right? Thanks for listening. See you next time.